Hey you guys. Okay you guys, this is a project share and a sale. Yes, I am actually showing you guys. I'll show you guys how I put this together. But this is a Gorjuss Girl canvas bag. Okay you guys, and I showed you some fabric that I purchased before. I don't know that I showed you the panels, but the material comes, you could order a variety of it, and I told you where I got the fabric from. If you go look at my last project share or my intro to a Gorjuss Girl collab that I was participating in, it'll tell you where I got the fabric from. Matter of fact, I'll put the fabric in a link up there somewhere. Okay you guys, tell me if my video is upside down, because guess what I did yesterday? I kind of changed my room around, well, a space in my room, and I'm liking it. So yeah, but I had to change my camera, the thing that holds my camera too. So yeah, but anyway, I bought some fabric from fabric.com. As I told you all. No, I told y'all to go watch my video, but that's okay because I told you all. But I had these bags, and I kept looking at the fabric saying, what can I do with that? So I took these bags that I ordered from Amazon.com, and yeah, and I have loads of them. They're inexpensive, but you have to buy them in bulk. I guess you could buy a few at a time, but it was cheaper to get them in bulk. Okay, so I got these bags from Amazon.com, and they're 8 by 8. They're 8 inches by 8 inches, or they're supposed to be. They're not quite 8 inches by 8 inches. They are like 7.5 by 8 inches, but they have a 2-inch gusset on the bottom. Yeah, so you can actually place quite a bit in this bag. Yeah, so I wanted this bag to be really cute, and I wanted to use these panels on here. Now I have 4 designs. This is one. Let me move this so I can show you. This is one of the designs. Let's see here. This is another. Making sure I show you the whole thing. This is the first one. Yes. How cute are they? I showed you this is one. Let me see the others. And like I said, 4 of these designs, and I thought all of them were super, super cute. Let's see. Here is another one. How cute are they? Gorgeous girls. And here is the other ones. But as you can see, these panels are super large. Yes, so I wanted to do something with them, and I wanted to do it on this bag, right? So let me show you guys what I did, and then I'll tell you how to get one if you'd like to. Yes, because I wanted to go ahead and make them. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I did with this. I actually took the image and I cut it out, because that's the only way I could actually fit it on the bag and make it cute. So then I made a charm using a bottle cap and attached it. I used eyelets, and then I used a piece of ribbon so that you can actually put it in there. Now I'm going to show you little cute stuff. I got this from Amazon. It was like $20 though. I did not know it was just a 4x6 book. And you can actually fit this book in here either way. This way or this way. So what I'm going to do, isn't that cute? I'm going to make some TNs about the 4x6 size. Yes. And using the gorgeous girls. But right now, I'm just going to talk about these bags that I made. Here is another one, and I decorated all of them the same way. There's the little, now the charms, I just made charms and put them on there because guess what, you guys? I have not found my other Gorjuss Girl collections, so I can't use other stuff other than what I have. Here's another one. Now with her, she was holding that little, is that a box? Well, I put it on the back. Yes, I put it on the back side, and I'll probably put a string there. I'm not certain yet. But yes, this is the other one, and I used all of her. I actually had to cut each one of them out. Then I had to take some adhesive webbing or fusible adhesive and cut her out and attach her. That's how I did all of them. So if you're just looking to make them yourself, you really can. And each of them have embroidered hearts on them. Yes, so there you are. This is the embroidered hearts from my stash. Well, I wanted to offer these to you all for a reasonable price, but if you're talking shipping, then, you know, and you're talking the work, you know, you figured, okay, you're not going to really get compensated for even half of that. So I'm going to offer these, and I'll do 4 of each one of these designs. After I do those, I will not be doing any more. First come, first serve. PayPal only. Only PayPal. And if you would like one of these, I'm going to sell them for $25. That's including your shipping. So, leave me an email. Send me an email at ivorydorothy@gmail.com. If you leave me a comment and tell me if you like them or whatever. But don't leave me a comment if you're interested in buying them. Leave me a comment. You can leave me a comment and say I sent you an email to make sure I got the email. But the first, I guess it's 4 times 4 is 16 people that actually request these are the ones that'll get it. But you have to send me an email at ivorydorothy@gmail.com. I'll put it down in my description box. I'll put it down in the description box. The first 16 people, because I'll 4 by 4, yes, will be the ones that I send an invoice. Once I send your invoice, you have exactly an hour. No more than an hour. Well, you might have a little more time today because I have to go in and sign out because, of course, yes, we're furloughed, right? Okay, government closed down. So, you may have a little more time today to leave me an email, but when you leave me an email, tell me what time you left it so that I know that you are, and please be honest about the time. Yeah, let me know what time you sent it so that if I come back late, it shouldn't take me long. All I have to do is go in, sign out, put a message on my phone that we're closed. Yeah, I had to giggle at the White House message, but yeah. Okay, so, yeah, you guys. So, if you're interested in it, you can go ahead and send me an email and I'll respond to you. This I haven't put the charm on yet because I have to make more charms. Yes. But anyway, if you're interested in it, just let me know and tell me which one you want. Let's call, tell me it's the girl with the orange dress or the girl with the hearts on her dress or the girl with the red hair or the girl with the hearts all around her. Tell me, you know, the one that you want are the ones that you want. Yes, first come, first serve. PayPal only. U.S. only, unless you want to pay the difference in shipping. Yes, if you're international and you want to pay the difference in what it would cost me to ship it, I'll go ahead and ship it to you. But other than that, it's going to have to be U.S. only, okay? Alright, so you guys let me know, leave me a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All the information will be down in the description box. Alright, thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.